Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Bharti Puri this side, and today in this video I am going to be talking about hairstyling products that I love to use in order to make my hair look in a certain way groomed. And this one is not sponsored. I've been really wanting to make this particular video because I have been using these products for a very long time now, and most of these products I have purchased it with my own money, and some of them have been gifted by the brand for me to try out, but they have not paid me or asked me to review it. So in the end I decided to just put all of this in one video and just talk about it, because all of these products that I will be sharing with you all is something that I really love, and I would love to recommend you all in case your hair is also my kind of hair type, then it would really come in handy. So first let me talk about my hair type. So my hair type is basically wavy and fine, and my scalp is more on the oilier side. So I am the type that I try to wash my hair like 3-4 times a week. So yes, I know it's a lot, but my scalp gets oily very fast, and I've tried to reduce the washing my hair less now because I've been using dry shampoo in order to skip the wash days as well. So, and I love dry shampoo, so I'm going to be talking about my favorite dry shampoos as well. So I haven't really colored my hair in a very long time. I haven't really been to the salon for hair treatments. I'm not really into hair treatments. I do regular hair oiling, and I'm not against hair coloring. It's just that I've been super lazy when it comes to hair coloring, because it's something, it needs a commitment. Once you get your hair colored, you have to regularly get your hair colored, and I'm too lazy for that at this moment. But I do get cravings time to time to get my hair colored. So maybe this year I might get my hair colored, because in the end I'm a human being and I crave a little bit of change when it comes to my looks. So in the end I might go for a hair color later on in the future. So another thing about my hair is that I love to blow dry my hair all the time after I do the shampoo, conditioning and apply all the products. And then I like to blow dry my hair, and I like how my hair looks after I do it, and I love that kind of a groomed look. So I do not mind regularly blow drying my hair. And there's a certain particular blow dryer that I love to use, which I'll show it to you guys. And it is something, it's lightweight, it's easy to carry. I have been using this particular blow dryer for many years now. I think it's been like 5 years or so. So currently at this moment I've been really loving these two particular shampoos, and both of these were gifted by the brand. So these are the two shampoos that I have been currently using and loving it. So this particular one is by Buds and Berries. It's their rice water and chia seed shampoo. It's not that expensive, and a little goes a long way, and I love how the shampoo smells. So I love to use the shampoo whenever I oil up my hair. So I like to use any kind of hair oil at that moment before I go for my shampoo and conditioning. Half an hour before that, I like to just oil up my hair and condition my scalp that way using the hair oil. And whenever I oil my hair, I like to use a nice shampoo which would help wash off all that oil. So this one by Dot & Key, it's the Moringa and Argan hair fall control shampoo. I really like this. I love how especially the lathering part and the process of using this, the whole experience, I really like it, the smell and everything. And this is something I can see myself repurchasing for sure. Yeah, and I love how it adds volume, because I'm the type, I love volume. You will notice it while you continue watching this video how much I love volume. So yeah, I love this shampoo. It gives that nice volume to my hair, and that is why I like to use this whenever I have to look nice for the camera or for going out. You know, when I need that volume, this shampoo is very good. Now about the conditioner. There's one conditioner that I will keep on repurchasing, which is the Schwarzkopf Spa Conditioner. So this is the Spa Essence Nourishing Conditioner. This is for all hair types, and this is 1 liter conditioner. I have lost the cap already. So this is the conditioner that I love to use. It gives that salon like a smooth conditioning effect. Honestly, you can use any cheap shampoo and then when you use this particular conditioner after that, oh my god, I can promise you your hair is going to look like salon like smooth after you blow dry your hair. So any cheap shampoo and then you use this conditioner and then you just use your hair styling products and then blow dry your hair is going to look smooth and shiny. So today after washing and conditioning, I use this conditioner and I love how smooth it makes my hair look. So conditioner is something which is very important to me, and this is my second bottle. It's about to get finished, so I will be definitely buying my third bottle of this once this finishes off. It's available on Nykaa and Amazon and totally like worth it. So currently after I am done with shampooing and conditioning and then I towel my hair for a while. I just wrap my hair around for like 5-10 minutes. And then when it's semi-wet, I like to apply this particular baby right here. This is the Schwarzkopf Bonacure Peptide Repair Rescue. It seals ends for damaged ends. It's kind of like a leave-in conditioner, so I like to apply this a little bit. I like to like divide my hair first like this, and then I like to apply it like this till here, and then focus it more on the ends. And then once I'm done applying the Schwarzkopf one, which kind of works like a leave-in conditioner, I like to follow it up with the Wella Professional Hair Serum. So this is the oil reflections luminous smoothing treatment for all hair types hair serum, because I really like frizz-free hair. So hair serum is not really like a treatment, it's just a silicone base which you apply in order to make your hair look more smoother. As you can see, my hair doesn't look like it doesn't have a lot of frizz at this moment because of this hair serum. So I like to seal off this hair leave-in conditioner with this Wella hair serum, just to seal off the conditioner and moisture and give that nice smooth and shine as well to my hairs to make it look more groomed. And after that I follow it up with blow drying, and once I blow dry it, my hair looks less frizz free because the blow dry really helps to remove the frizz from the hair on top of that. So it really gives that nice groomed look. And my ends also, there's something I've noticed, my ends really look slightly more healthier because of this Schwarzkopf one that I have been using. This one I purchased it from Nykaa. This one and this one I purchased it from Nykaa, and this it's been lasting me for a whole year because you only need a very tiny bit. And this only like this much is left now, so I think I've been using this for more than 6-7 months, so it lasts for a very long time, this particular serum. So like I've mentioned, I love to blow dry my hair, so there are certain products which works best for me for blow drying. So after I'm done with shampoo and conditioning on semi-wet towel dried hair, I love to use this Wella mousse. So this is basically a boost, bounce, curl enhancing mousse. So it's meant for curly hair, but I've noticed one thing about this, that even though it's meant for curly hair, I feel somebody who has semi-straight or wavy hair, it might work out great for those type of hair type as well, if you want volume. So it won't help for straight hair to get curls, it's not like that, but this really helps in order to give volume, and you need a very tiny amount of this. So what I like to do is I just shake this and then apply a very tiny amount. A little goes a long way, and then I apply it on my scalp, only on my scalp a little bit, and then I blow dry my hair. So when I blow dry my hair looks even more voluminous. So I love that. It looks more voluminous, more groomed. And this is basically my third or my fourth bottle, and it lasts for a very long time because I don't use this every time I blow dry my hair. So whenever I'm in the mood for a certain kind of hairstyle look, I love using this particular baby right here. And this one is also one of my favorite. This is my new favorite. This is the Dot and Key Hair Volumizing Serum. So this is something I feel that the brand has launched this amazing product, but they have not really done a good job in the information department in how to exactly use this. And there's some cons also about the packaging. So first of all, the packaging, it's not at all travel friendly, because when I received this, it didn't come with a a cap. It didn't come with a cap, and it doesn't have a pump lock. So in the end, I can't just dump this in my bag and travel with it, because then it might spill. So it's not at all travel friendly, and I might have to transfer it into another travel friendly container if I want to travel with this particular product. So I highly request the Dot & Key brand, if the Dot & Key people are watching this, please work on the, you know, the packaging design, please make it better. So I love the smell of this. First of all the Dot & Key products, one thing I've noticed, they have some amazing scent, and scent is something I do not mind when it comes to the hair. So this one is a hair volumizing serum. It's an anti-hair fall and shine serum, but honestly I didn't notice any shine, I didn't notice any hair fall difference. So the main thing I noticed about this particular hair product was the volume that I got, and there's a certain way in order to use this particular product. So again, once you're done with your shampoo and conditioning and your semi-wet hair, just apply like a few pumps of this on your hand, depending on the length of your hair, and just massage it like this, and then just apply it on your semi-wet hair. Once you're done that, then you can go on with your hair serum. Then your hair serum will help to give that shine and remove the frizz. So hair serums in the end help in basically giving shine to the hair and remove the frizz from the hair, because it's a silicone based product. And this Dot & Key volumizing hair serum, basically this will give volume. So I love to apply this first, and then after that the hair serum, and then I blow dry my hair. So basically if you're using this and you're not blow drying your hair, you will not notice any difference, and then you might not like this. But if you use this and then you blow dry your hair, you're going to notice a very nice volume effect. So that is why I love this. This serum really works well as a blow drying volumizing kind of effect it gives. So I love the Dot & Key volumizing hair serum for the volume it gives after you blow dry your hair after using this, and gives that nice voluminous hair look, but not for hair treatment and not for removing frizz. Yeah, if you want to remove frizz, then go for the silicone based hair serum. So this one is a repurchase. I have repurchased this so many times that I've lost count, and this one I think comes off within 500 or 500 and something rupees, and I get it from Nykaa, and this is the fruity and cheeky cherry flavor. And this is something which it's my favorite one, this particular one, which is the fruity and cheeky cherry one. It gives very nice volume, it's travel friendly as well, and it gives me nice volume, and that's why I always come back to this particular dry shampoo. And I'm the type that if I really end up loving a product, I like to, you know, commit to that and keep on buying the same product, because I don't want to, you know, disappoint myself if I try a new one, and what if it disappoints me and my money gets wasted. So if there's a product that I really like, I like to stick with it, and this is one particular dry shampoo by Batiste is something I really love, and I will keep on repurchasing this for myself. So this one is a dry shampoo powder. Yes, you heard me, it's a dry shampoo powder. And I was kind of skeptical about this one. It's by Juicy Chemistry. It's the plantain and bamboo charcoal, meant for all hair types, and it's specially meant to refresh the scalp. It's cruelty free, vegan, and all of that jazz. It's like amazing if you're into cruelty free products, which has no paraben and all that stuff. So very environmental friendly packaging as well. And this is something, it smells, the powder smells like rose water, slightly rosy, so it kind of smells like that, but it's not overpowering. And I love the volume also it gave me, not that much. If I'm using the Batiste dry shampoo, it gives me a lot of volume, but this gives me like at least like 60 to 70% volume. This gives me 100% volume, if that makes any sense. But this is still good because I feel in a powder form it's going to last longer. So I feel in the end, price wise, this would last me longer compared to this particular dry shampoo, because this one comes in a can form and it can finish soon. this one in the end, because it's in powder form, you only need very tiny bit. It's a very fine powder texture and you have to be careful. So what I like to do, I haven't really taken out the protective lid completely because then it would be too much. I won't be able to control the amount I'm applying on my scalp. But I like to just section my hair and then I like to apply this. And basically the second day, once I've washed my hair and styled it, the second day I like to apply this, and then the third day. But I don't like to extend more than the third day because in the end I crave to get my hair washed again because I'm regular at that. So in the end I am not disappointed by this, and this is something I will definitely be repurchasing. Yeah, and it expires in 9 months, so you have to keep a note of that. When it came in its packaging, it over here there's no expiry date written, so I had to like write it down over here by using a pen. So written down over here that it will expire within 9 months. So this is something that you have to keep a note of, because if it's expired, I highly recommend you to throw that product out. If the product is expired, any product, any food base or cosmetic, anything, if it has an expiry date and expires, just throw it out. Do not risk it. So guys, I hope it was useful for you all, this particular video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you did, then please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. It would really mean a lot to me. Comment down below whatever you want to type. I would love to chat with you all in the comment section, and give this video a big thumbs up. That would really help my channel to grow. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Take care.